Hi, my name is Blake Wright. I am a graduate student at Texas Southern University studying health and kinesiology. I am also a graduate assistant strength and conditioning coach at the university where I work with soccer, softball, volleyball, and bowling. Today we are going to be covering the assignment to give an overview on a seat at the table and take some other questions from that. So, the seat at the table was really a overview of where we're at with poverty and nutrition in the United States and how those two kind of correlate and go hand in hand. Some key takeaways I had from it was poverty is the problem. It's not the limit to food in the United States. The United States actually has plenty of food. That's not the issue there. It's poverty. So people really struggle to meet ends meets when it comes to food because they have things like rent, medical expenses, school, maybe daycare, and other things they have to provide for their families. So food is hard to buy. Assistance programs are hard to apply for. So you always hear about people scamming the system, but it's very circumstantial. So if you're $1 above the poverty line, you might not be able to get food stamps. So assistance is hard to come by. And then finally, nutritional deprivation in children. So I didn't realize how detrimental lack of food could be for children in their young age. And a lot of the reason we see childhood obesity or even obesity as a nation is because not necessarily because of people not just eating unhealthy. It's just that processed foods are so much cheaper than whole nutritious foods. My chosen country was El Salvador, and we're going to go over some similarities and differences. So a statistic would be, 35% of El Salvador lives in poverty, with almost 23% living below the poverty line. And then a similarity and difference between the United States and El Salvador. One similarity would be that food insecurity, is generally caused by health disparities. Limit to nutritious foods because processed foods are more expensive, and just the ability to meet our basic needs of life. And then a difference would be that El Salvador is a lot more widely spread, so a big part of the nation does live in poverty and struggles to find food.